like and subscribe, and enjoy the video. About to start this. Let's go. Bro, it's been like hours, dude. No, I'm kidding. It's been like an hour and a half. Still trying to find it. Still pushing. Honestly, guys, I'm probably going to pick it up when we're getting close to the waterfall, because, I mean, y'all can see, like, we're, like, pretty far, dude. So, yeah. Pick it up when we're close to the waterfall. I mean, like, we are, like, in the middle of, like, nowhere, but it's all good, though. It's all for the trip. Oh, dude. We gotta be getting close eventually, right? Well, this is cool. We're close. This way. Yeah, it is a river. So, I mean, we're close by. Okay, we're walking. We're trudging. We are trudging. There's this river here, so the waterfall has to be close by. It just has to be. Guys, we made it to the waterfall. Time to hike up. Alright, so this waterfall, it's pretty big in real life. I don't know if y'all can tell on camera. But like, it's pretty big in real life. Alright, obstacle one. Ugh. Clear. That was easy, bro. Alright. 2, 3. Okay. Boom. Just climbed that right here. I had to put the camera away because it was pretty hard. But we got that. Ugh. Ugh. And boom. Like,
Good reception.
Like, now we're here. And up there is like people's property, and there's like dogs, but